Hey friends, how are you all? So today is the day 4 of the class from nobody to expert. In today's class, we shall dive deep into how the perfume is being made and what are all the aspects perfume makers keep in mind to create the perfumes. So there are two aspects perfume makers keep in mind or remember while making the perfumes. One is perfume notes and another one is accords. So perfume notes means when you purchase apple, when you smell the apple, when you smell jasmine, when you smell rose, when you smell orange, you will get an aroma from that perfume. Question is whether perfume makers use the same ingredient. Ingredient means whether they use the same fruit, same flower, etc. to get the same perfume note. Definitely not. They will make use of the synthetic aroma compounds, beautiful aroma compounds to create that beautiful aroma of the fruits and the flowers. And they will mix many of the aromatic compounds to get the note of the apple, to get the note of the rose. So that is how they arrive on the smell of the perfume, on the aroma of the perfume. And what is the main difference between these perfume notes and accords? Accords is generally used by the perfume maker while doing the perfume. They will not call as the notes. They will tell to the world as accord. I have created an apple accord. I have created an jasmine accord. Like that, they will tell. It is the perceiver who perceives the aroma of the perfume. Generally denotes that aroma with the notes. So this is the main difference between notes and the accords. So hope you understand what is the difference between notes and accords. So meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.